Hello guys, welcome to YouTube. In this tutorial we are going to know that how to make a bootable USB drive with Rufus in Windows operating system. So for this tutorial we need a USB drive and this Rufus software. So let's start. Install at first is Rufus. For it we need to put the Rufus and you can see we have Rufus create a bootable USB drive the easy way. So you need to click on it. So you can see that this Rufus create bootable USB drive the easy way. Rufus is utility that helps format and create bootable USB flash drives such as USB keys or pen drives, memory sticks, etc. It can be especially useful for cases where you need to create USB installation media from bootable ISOs, Windows, Linux, UEFI, etc. You need to work on system that doesn't have an OS installed. You need to flash a BIOS or other firmware from DOS. You want to run a low-level utility. Despite it is small, Rufus provides everything you need. So at first we need to download a Rufus file here. The current version is Rufus 3.1. So we need to save this file. So open it, run it, and you can see the drive properties here. And you can use the device when you insert your USB device, it will detect the USB drive. So let me plug the USB drive here. So guys, I already plugged in my USB device, that is 16 GB, and the boot selection you can use here, the disk or ISO image, and you need to select the file from the desktop. I have included the ISO file. I need to put the more, and I need to use this Ubuntu 18.04 with desktop AMD64.ISO. Now opening this file, and what I need to do is I need to choose the file system is FAT32 and the cluster size is this. I need to make this as default. So click on start button, and it's asks the download required. This image uses Linux, but this application only includes the installation files for Linux. This one. So press yes button, and it asks also ISO hybrid image detected, write an ISO image mode recommended. So okay, press OK button, and also it's asking warning all data on device no label will be destroyed. To continue with this operation, click OK. To quit, click cancel. So you need to remember that if you have an important document, you need to make the backup of that document. So you need to press OK button. It will erase our data and it will install the Ubuntu operating system on our USB disk. So press OK, and we can see the status, that is closing existing creating file system task 2 by 5 completed. So it will take some time. You need to wait it for the process. So I will come back when it finishes. So guys, you can see we have we have this application which is ready, and we need to close this application here. And now you can open your file manager, and inside here you can see our Ubuntu file system has been created. Now if you restart your computer and change some settings on your BIOS settings, boot from USB drive, save the settings, and when the window opens up, you will see some instructions and the live USB options that you can run the Ubuntu the operating system in a live mode, or you can install it on Twitter. So thanks guys, this is the end of our tutorial. Hope you will like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks.